body was designed to operate by itself. We don't need doctors around us. They simply enable us to the body is a self-healing mechanism, right? We just need doctors to help us understand what we can do and give us a trajectory to move.
Smoking causes premature aging, early lung cancer, blood carcinomas, oral thrush, teeth discoloration, oral cancers, and reduced fertility, and much more than that.
Sometimes the smallest step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step of your life. So tiptoe if you must, but do take the step.
आप इन क्लब्स को पैशनेटली ज्वाइन करें, क्योंकि यहाँ जो चीज़ आप लर्न करेंगे, जो आप आगे कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में जाएंगे, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस आपको बहुत कैशबैक करवाएगा.